The topic of today's video is how to reduce GIF file sizes without losing quality. Now guys, I'm going to start right off the bat by saying there will be quality loss. If you're going to compress a GIF, of all things, there is most definitely going to be quality loss. We can just sort of mitigate the amount. Now, before we jump into the video, do consider checking the links in the description of this video. We've got tons of resources for you. Alright, so easiest way to do this if you're not going to use dedicated software is to just go to freeconvert.com and you'll see here we've typed /GIF compressor. I'll just attach the link to this down in the description of this video as well. Alright, so it'll bring you here to the GIF compressor and we're going to select our file. So just click on choose files. And then we're going to navigate to wherever our GIF is. And then we need to click on advanced settings. Now, the higher we push this compression, the more the quality is going to degrade. The lower we push this compression, the more the file size will stay the same. So at 60%, we're looking at about 40% file size reduction. Alright, now you can do some other things like drop frames, but this is just going to completely ruin your GIF. So let's apply something drastic like 60 and just say apply settings. And then we're going to hit compress GIF. It's going to begin to upload and then after uploading, it'll compress. And you can see we saved 48%. So now what you want to do is click on the drop down next to download and click on save to device and then just hit save. And that is it guys, and that is our GIF. Do consider liking and subscribing. Don't forget to check out the links in the description of this video and I'll see you in the next one.